I'll teach you how to watch the sunset twice in one day. After you finish watching the first sunset, head straight to the Burj Khalifa and take the elevator to the top. Then you can catch the sunset again. The idea is simple. The Earth is round, so the higher you stand, the farther away the horizon is. Same principle. If you watch the sunset lying down, once the sun dips below the horizon, stand up, you'll see it again. And if you fire a bullet in space, a lot of people think the recoil would shove you backward. But is that really true? In the vacuum of space, there's no air resistance, so nothing tries to slow the bullet down. So when you pull the trigger, you'll only drift back slightly. And the bullet, as long as it doesn't hit anything, will keep flying in a straight line forever. Next episode. Don't pinch your nose when you sneeze.